live from the Food Network.
Hi, my name is Shvetlana, and I am here to show a cooking lesson of my own from my own country. Now this is very, very popular where I come from, which is in Czechoslovakia, and what you do is you take some nuts, preferably mixed nuts, and you crush them like this, kind of like this. This is what us Czechoslovakians do in Czechoslovakia, is you crush them like this. It helps a lot. And oh, by the way, this is what we call nut and strawberry what the heck is this?